Hey, what's up guys, you're watching for Tech. So immediately after creating the installation video, I created the complete ROM review. So you can decide whether you want to install this ROM or not over the stock Oxygen OS given by OnePlus. I will going to discuss the performance of the ROM, what's not working means bugs, what is working, unique features of the ROM and the final verdict. So watch the video till the end without any skip. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
On a new adventure.
So after the flashing the ROM, we will go to the settings about phone. So the major plus point we got here over the Oxygen OS ROM is that we are upgraded to Android 12, the whole new OS version we get here. So this is the official project Elixir Android 12 based custom ROM. We also get the latest December month security patch here. The kernel is pre-built, meaning it's a stock kernel. The performance is nearly equal to stock ROM. We get the round dialing clock Easter egg of Android 12, which looks cool. So let's see the performance. ROM is super smooth in the day-by-day uses. You cannot feel any lagginess. Everything is optimized, app opening and the closing faster. I didn't believe the benchmark test, but still I done the Geekbench test here. So you got the single core 786 and the multi-core 2394, which is slightly lower side than the stock ROM. Also lags behind the lots of rival. But as I said, these tests nothing matter if you are able to do all the activities smoothly. Let's see first what's not working. Only two bugs till I found. One is auto brightness is not working. Instead of that, you can use the Lux Control app from the Play Store. Second is alert slider is not working at all. But Android 12 already comes with the quick access to these shortcuts in a volume panel. So it's not a deal breaking. Instead of this, everything works. Let's see what's working. First, dual network SIMs are working without any issues. Bluetooth headset connecting and working specifically. I connected my Oppo Ekno M30, which are working with the LDAC. So the main requirement of Indian users, all network OLT calling working with incoming and outgoing calls. Just after first boot, disable and enable the OLT tab in a network setting to make it work. Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi hotspots are working. They are connecting to the networks without any issues. In-display fingerprint is working, but I feel it is somewhat slower as compared to stock fingerprint. But that's not deal breaking. We can set different fingerprint and use them without any issues. So let's jump to the camera. ROM has two different camera applications. One is the Snapdragon Cam, which has nothing special. Another is the Camera Go by the Google, which has some features like the portrait and live translate for the translation of the language directly by taking pics. Also camera is working really super by taking good quality pics and the videos. So no worries, still we don't have the stock Oxygen OS camera. But still another great option is Google Cam version 8.1. This app is fully stable, all things are working there like portrait, night sight, slow motion videos. We can load different XML files to improve the cam quality. Here are some live portrait shot and slow motion videos. So let's check customizations included in the ROM. Inside the settings, essence, we get the lots of custom settings, but till now they are less and will be added step by step in upcoming builds. We get the status bar custom settings, lock screen settings, some system customizations and lastly the miscellaneous settings. I will not go deeper here because it will create the lengthy video. So gamers don't worry, there is very good game settings is available in the ROM which helps to improve your gaming experience. In the settings search bar, search for the game settings. There we get the game dashboard tab and the DND mode. It's enabled by default for all the games. As soon as we open the BGMI game, we can access the game dashboard by swiping left from the corner. It has the screenshot, screen recorder, FPS display and the D&D mode options. Optimization tab is available, but it's not working for BGMI. Separate YouTube Live is available to stream your games if you are YouTuber. Actually, I am not gamer but tested the game and it's about the stock ROM performance, smooth and lag free. Features like always on display available inside the display setting. Just enable the always show time and info. Specifically on AOD, we get the fingerprint icon so we can easily unlock the phone, and it has the very good screen off and on animation with the screen unlock animation effects. Last but very important, battery life. So I just installed this ROM today and needs 2-3 battery cycles to give the final verdicts on the battery. So I will report after 2 days in the comment section with the pinned message. But as per some overview, I feel the stock will win in this case. But as this is the first build now, there will be lots of fixes coming to improve the battery life of this ROM. So what is my final verdict? This ROM is the daily driver ROM, has only 2 bugs and it's a feature rich as compared to stock. Performance similar to stock ROM. We get the major upgrade of Android 12 with the latest security patch. This ROM lacks only in case of battery, which can be improved with the upcoming updates. So my words are to go with this ROM, you will never regret. So that's it for today guys. If you think I help you, please do like and share this video, subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for the notification of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.